Hello students, welcome to the computer class. So now in this class we will read about the second chapter, that is your open your book, second chapter, spreadsheet, formula and function. So in this chapter we will see about the spreadsheet software, that is called Excel. In our window it is called Excel software. It is already included in the MS Office. So in the your previous class, when you are in the standard 7, standard 6, you have read about this Excel introduction chapter. So in that book it was given. So now the next chapters are next part of the same Excel it is given here. So we'll continue from there. So first of all, in the spreadsheet, which is Excel software, which is in the window, it is there. If you open Excel software, then you will see there is a one sheet, it will appear, which consisting of row and columns. Okay, and when you are doing certain type of calculation or all type of numerical calculation, comparison and graph, these all types of work easily can be performed by the Excel software. So when we are going to Excel 2016, so the version of the Excel is 2016. So here to perform different types of calculations, maybe complicated calculation or simple calculation or a group of numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So all types of calculation can be easily performed in a manual way, which manner in your mathematics you are doing, which manner in our rough page you are doing. So like that manner computer also can perform that all types of calculations. So when you are going to learn about the Excel, first of all, how to do the formula, how we will do the calculation work, that by using different formula, in this chapter we will read about it. Okay, so first of all, whenever we are going to start the Excel, you will see when you will start the Excel software, then you will see there is a one page will appear, first page, which consisting of many rows and columns. Okay, and many cells you will see there. But before going to start the work upon the formula, when we are going to start a formula, so we should know little bit the element of the formula. So first of all, the component of the formula. When you will type one formula in the Excel sheet, or in Excel you will calculate any formula, any type of formula, maybe a simple interest formula or compound interest formula or any type of complicated formula, then what are the components of the formula, that we will see first. First of all, value, thereafter cell address, then functions, then operators, then parentheses. So these are the components of the formula. When you are writing the formula, then these are things you are required. So suppose this is one example. In example here, this is one formula it is written, you see here. This is A2 plus B3 into 3 minus sum in the bracket, it is written B4 colon B7. So this is one complete formula which you are supposed to give to the Excel formula bar. Okay, then computer will calculate result and give us accordingly. So in this expression, in this example, you see this is from here to here, it is a formula. Here A2, A4, these are the cell, this is called your cell address. Okay, these are the cell address. Then the value here is the numeric value also we are using. Here one value it is used here. So here 3 is the numeric value. So with the cell address number also you can write any number, if you valid number you can write, that is called your value. Thereafter, this is a function. Function means many type of ready-made functions are also already there. So if you want to use them, then in the formula you can use it. So here one type of formula it is used here, that is sum. Sum is to find the sum of the numbers. So this is called your formula. This is your function. That is your function. Okay, and this is called your range. B4 colon B7. That means B4 column B7 means what? So this is completely one cell to another cell, that complete value locations, whatever the numbers are there, that is called your range, B4 to B7. And operators we are using here also, into operator, minus operator, plus operator. These are the operators are already exist in the function always. Whenever a formula to write, that time we have to write also operators. So these operators performs calculations work, addition, subtraction, multiplication, like in our mathematics we are doing. Thereafter so these complete, these all things including, it is called your what? Formula. It is called formula. So then next thing is that what are the operators in the Excel? What are the Excel operators are allowed when you are writing the formula to different types of calculation to perform? What are the operators it is allowed here? For the total operators which all are allowed in the Excel, there is three kinds of operators, and there are three types: the arithmetic operator, relational operator, and logical operator. So three kinds of operators are there. So three group of, you can say, three group of operators. First of all, arithmetic operator, that is plus, minus, into, division. This one addition work to perform, this one subtraction work to perform. That in mathematics also we are using this asterisk symbol for the multiplication. Here multiplication work to perform, this one, and this one division work. No other symbols are allowed, only the slash, forward slash. Okay, this forward slash is using for the division work. And this one exponentiation, power to express. So whenever you are writing about the power value, so you are in the mathematics, we are writing like this manner, x to the power 2. So like this manner you are writing, but here you will write x in the formula x, this caret sign, thereafter 2, this up arrow sign will give, then 2. So then that means it is a power. Computer can recognize it is a power. So this is one power sign. Okay, that is exponentiation symbol. And percentage also you can calculate, 5%, okay, 10%. So like this manner you can give, then computer will calculate the percentage also values. Percent value it will calculate. Thereafter, these are the arithmetic operators. Thereafter, relational operators are also there. In the relational operator, you know already the greater, in the geometry we are using also, the mathematics also you are using equal sign. It is for the equality checking. One value is, it is equal to another value or not. Equal sign less than, then less than symbol or not. Okay, less than to be checked out. It is possible to check 5 less than 3, true or false, to find out. These all answers will find out in true or false only. Okay, so this one, the relational operator, greater than, less than, not equals to symbol. These are the not equals. In mathematics we are writing here not equals to this way, but here not allowed. Here you have to write like this way. So this is not equal to symbol. Thereafter, greater than equals to, you are writing in mathematics greater than equals to like this manner. So it is not allowed here. So here you will write greater than equals to, and less than equals to, like this manner you have to write. Okay, so similarly, so this less than equals to, like greater than equals to, the 6 relation operators are there, and 6 relation operators equals to, less than, greater than not equals to, greater than equals to, less than equals to. These are the relational operators. The same way, logical operators are also, it is allowed here. Logical operators, that is compares two relational expressions. When two relational expression is to be compared, then that is that by the logical operator you can perform so. So x greater than y and x greater than z, this way. This way, this is relational expression. This is relational expression. Both can be compared according to the rule of the AND operator. It can be compared, and that is your logical operator. This is called your logical operator. AND is your logical operator. So like this manner, there are 3 logical operators are there, and these 3 logical operators are AND, OR, and NOT. So AND, or, and not. So two different, these AND or not, they are each and every logical operator having a specific rule. Accordingly, computer will find out true or false in answer. Here also true false answer it will find out. Here also true false answer it will. The writing style you see, x greater than y, or you write x greater than z. So like this manner you can write. So this is the OR operators writing, and not is the not x greater than y. So like this manner, not operator to write. So this is about the operators which all I told you. There are 3 kinds, 3 category of operators are there. One category is the arithmetic operators, thereafter relational operators, then logical operators. Now we'll see that thereafter these are operators are required where in our formula. Different situation will get will require this type of operators. Okay.